Hi, it's Belle, and today I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial. So a lot of people have been like I posted a picture on my Snapchat the other day. I had makeup on for once, and people were like, "Oh, you should do a tutorial." And so I was like, "Yeah, why not?" Because I haven't posted for a while. So here I am. Okay, let's get on with the video. First thing I do is put my hair up with my scrunchie. That way it's not in my face. And next I'm going to use my Neutrogena oil-free acne moisturizer and just put that all over my face. Next I'm going to take this e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer and I'm going to put that all over my face as well for like a nice base. Okay, so first I'm going to start with like eyeshadow because that way I can like, if it gets like, I don't know what that's called, like fallout, I think that's what it's called. Whenever it like comes off, then like I can clean it up. So that's what I'm gonna start with, and I'm like kind of messy with like I don't really have like a set thing, so it's just like, you know, whatever. So first thing I'm gonna do is I have this Too Faced Tickled Peach palette. That's what it looks like. There's a mirror. And I'm going to take the white color, and I'm gonna, sorry, I'm like have a mirror here. I'm gonna put that all over the top of my eyelid. Next, I'm gonna take this like light brown color, and I'm gonna put it in like the crease. Next, I'm gonna take like this dark brown, and I'm gonna put it on like the outside. Okay. Next, I'm gonna take like, just like, and like, I don't know, blend it. Okay. So that's like my base. That's what I call it, at least. And now I'm gonna take, like, do more. Okay. So now I'm gonna take the pink, the light pink in this palette. It's just like, yeah, it's literally just a light pink. And I'm gonna put that on the like base, the like main part of my eyelid. Okay. And then I'm just gonna take a mix of this color and this color and put that on the like crease. That made it more like pink. It's like a pink orangish color. And because of that, I have the, I think it's Tati. Wow, okay, I'm really not good at pronouncing. Tati Beauty Palette Volume 1. And in the story section, I'm gonna take not this orange and not this orange, but this like light, it's like a light orange kind of pink color. Like gold, like a rose gold almost. And I'm gonna take that and put that on the middle of my eyelid. Okay, so So that's what it looks like so far. I know it's a little much. At least maybe for not some people. It is for me. But I think that's all. So I'm gonna go back into my Too Faced Peaches palette, and I'm gonna go over it with the light color. Try to like decrease it. I like a string or something. Yeah, add a fuzz. Pause. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so it kind of like matted it just a little bit, and then I'm gonna go back in with the dark brown and put it in the corner again to make that part just a little darker. Okay, now that I did, that's gonna be my eyeshadow. Actually, I'm like indecisive. I'm gonna put the light pink again. Okay. Now I'm going to do bottom eyeliner. So I only like to do the bottom eyeliner. I don't know why, but that's all I do. So I'm gonna take this Urban Decay Naked, but it's, oh my goodness. It just fell. It's the Ultimate Basic palette. So it just has like, it doesn't have any sparkly colors. It's like, which like I'm okay with. Like I'm not a huge sparkle. Like I like sparkles, obviously, but like when it comes to makeup, I sometimes like nude, like not nude, like matte. So I'm gonna take the Black Jack, this color, and I'm gonna put it like right on that line right there. Okay. I don't know what these are called. I don't know, I just feel like it makes your eyes pop more. It might be just me. Okay, so that's all I'm gonna do for that. Now I'm gonna go back in and do the face. Okay, so I'm gonna take this e.l.f. and it's like the color correctors, and I'm gonna take the green. They're pretty much like the concealer color correctors. So like I'm gonna take the green color and put it on like where I think it's red on my face, if that makes sense. And then I'm gonna take this light pink and put it like under my eyes. Okay, so now that I look crazy, I'm gonna take this Maybelline New York Instant Age Rewind concealer, and I'm gonna put it like where near, like around where I have the marks. So like down here, I'm just gonna make it around. And I'm gonna take my beauty blender, and I'm not gonna rub, I'm gonna just like pat, I guess you could say. Okay, So that's all I do for like, I don't do foundation because like I have Jouer foundation. But like I like to say that for like school dances or competitions and stuff like that, just because like I think it's like it's a good foundation. But I don't like, I don't know, I'm not the person, I'm just sitting at home or going to school, so I don't need foundation, I don't think. So that's the most I do. But I do put I have this, it's called Milk Makeup, and it's a blur set, matte loose setting powder, and unifier and fixer powder. So this is what I used to put on top of all this. Hold on, I'm just gonna shake it. And I'll just pat it all over my face. Now that I am like dead looking, I'm going to put some blush. I almost said brush. Blush. And so I'm using the Becca Jaclyn Hill palette. Looks like that. Yes, it's very loved and worn. There's like, why do I keep getting fuzzes? Okay. And I'm just gonna take this like top and I'm gonna put it on my cheek. I always like make a face when I do it. I don't know. Now that I look like a clown, I'm gonna take this big brush and like rub it. That way it looks a little more natural and not as like, yo, I'm a clown. And then I'm gonna take this like skinnier brush and I'm gonna use this rose gold color and put it up on this line right above where I put the blush. And I'll put it like at the tip of my nose. So for Christmas, my mom got me this Sephora favorite thing, and it has like all these mascaras in it, and like I love it because I can just change it out. But I'm gonna do what I did the other day. I'm actually liked it, so I'm struggling to get it out. Okay, so I'm gonna take this roller lash from Benefit, and if you open it, it's super thin, tiny, and nice. And that's what I usually use to like, I do it like that way on top of my lashes, and I do the bottom lashes with this, and like it looks good if I do like the whole thing, but then like to make my eyelashes look bigger, I take this Pat McGrath Labs Fetish Eyes Mascara. I don't know if that's how you say it. Okay, and it's more thick, you know, and so that one I'll go up. Okay, so I can't get it closer, but we're just gonna watch from a distance. So that's one eye. Okay, so those are both my eyes. And now I'm gonna do lips. Okay, so for lips, I'm gonna take this Kylie Jenner lip set. And it came with like lip liner, matte liquid lipstick, and high gloss. And so I'm gonna take the lip liner, and it's in the color Coconut. Which doesn't make sense because I thought coconuts were white. But I'm not complaining. And I'm gonna just outline my lips. Okay, so now that I outline them, oh my. Okay, I'm gonna take the matte liquid lipstick from the Kylie Jenner, and this is the color. Does it say? Just says Kylie matte. Is there a difference? Oh, it's just Kylie. Apparently, color's just named Kylie. And so I'm gonna put that around inside the lines, obviously. And that's super pink. Like, that's pink for me. And since it doesn't really match the rest, I take this YSL lip gloss. It's like a matte stain, and it's in the color Tajoué Couture. It won't focus. Okay, I'll write it down, and I'm just gonna put that on the inside, like in the middle. So that's my lips. So to finish it all off, well, one, I don't do anything with my eyebrows. I don't know how, nor do I, like, I think they look funny if I do anything. So I just leave them natural. And so just to finish it off, I'm going to take this Kokie Professional Refresh Hydrating Setting Spray. And I'm just going to close my eyes and spray it around my face. And you gotta let it dry. And that's all it is. Some people might do more or less, and this is like, if I'm just like, you know, chilling and I want to do my makeup, this is probably the most I do. Competitions and stuff is different, like that's heavier makeup, which I can do competition makeup tutorial like what I do. If you want that, just comment down below. But yeah, most days I usually just put mascara on and call it a day, if I'm gonna be completely honest. But yeah, so thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. I'm gonna, since we're all like chilling at home, I'm gonna try and make more videos. So comment down below if you have any more requests, and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and thanks for watching. Bye! Hi, it's Belle here. Hi, it's Belle. Welcome to my channel. Okay. So, I just realized that this whole time I've been filming, I didn't have earrings in. I just had my second hole in. And now I'm kind of embarrassed. But I don't want to redo, I'm not going to redo the whole video for that. I apologize.